Confident steps in this money game, building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Gala dinner shining, feeling like a king. Educational resources, let the wisdom ring. Mega bucks on the table, foreign affairs and sight swing. Trading till December, I'm ready for the fight. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game, building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle.
Yabona manje njami seyiphumile lapho kwakhe, yabona manje selanda mina uGhost yabo ibebheka isikhathi, yabona mos beshaya iveni, yabona ukuthi le bafethu ke sonitshengisa ke. We've been telling you about pips, take profits, stop losses, yabona that's the trading of the forex market. Now we're about to show you the different trading, you see. Stay tuned and watch. Bheka yabona manje ngenabakile motsi landa bani mina. You see, like 3 2 1 zobe sengiphakathi ngithola masengenile evenini siyava proti bheka okwenzakalana. Awuyebo sengiphakathi yabona mos sibangena ba macala eprotia avele ayifuni abheka so ngena ngendlondlo uyadlala luthini yanko yabona manje sidlula bakho amaroad siyaba protia sibesaba mina nenjama yabona mos bheka ukuthi khambana yini bangafuni ngempahla yethu akuthola bheka manje sidleleni bheka mfethu sakhuphuka ngithola mos sakhuphuka sidlula va elento sinava. For those who don't know, sinava sisinawana bona mos bayibili belenza ngaleso sikhathi mfethu.
If you know, you know, boy. You're doing crackles, but the wind.
The time, the wind is on some other level. If you've ever said behind a what do you call this, a van, best believe you know what it's like. Hey.
Traders lane rush, mega bucks to the new Tuesday, Jiffy bus store, gold shore, trading NASDAQ, blah blah, and the Fed fundamentals, Bitcoin reaching new highs, Donald Trump effect. Donald Trump is a president again. I might have to wait for a tweet that'll be like a fundamental news release. Economic conditions very volatile these days. My age group sitting at the corner all day. I chase the pips, hopping to get paid. People never have faith until they see you doing numbers. Gold sell, Biden that is still holding Tango TDR. Capital shout out, we will be in Botswana soon. Mega bucks, you got me to church to get paid. Emperor's Palace on the first Sunday, minutes November, but only going on a Monday. Gold at $2,591. I have to hustle as NFP coming. It's a flip or flop kind of situation. Foreign affairs, mega bucks, gold short, pushing deliveries for that 60. Standing lots on Bitcoin, new money, old money, I'm not sure, because this is foreign money. So Weddle traders, shout out and never stop trading. Foreign affairs, mega bucks, gold short, pushing deliveries for that 60. Standing lots on Bitcoin, new money, old money, I'm not
sure. This guy doesn't know budget. Corolla is like 7,000. Uno is 1,000 rand, guys. We're almost getting lost. Let's see.
Abana bafethu bangenile njengoba kuyabanda. Bade kuyabanda kuyashisa thina sabangena yabona sesifikile namadlozi laba okhwadi mfethu ngathi ama-RDP enhle ngenzakalani la mara bheka ngikhona ansasela impahla yethu asicaba ukuthi le khona or khambana ngithola mara yabona ugcwele imoto nale impahla iswelanda yabo. Ngimbuza ukuthi njengoba ehleli makune mainet manpower
kuzomele ilungiswe still. Ile kuphela nesithatha lezo zinto.
So ntwana, imagine if cabanga amapholisa anahlangana lesikoti abona isikoti uvaka amangura anonse amapholisa yize ntwana antwana ka bona ke 300,000 nyana ne obona zabathola imanyana smart obo lani bakene phela no soli celebrity soli James and Clem ntwana ka sonto bona halo lo celebrity ntwana ka bona halo mpethu anthola
apha kunawasibonga nalala angithi ngisabambe ngibalansele ukuthi
Wazamadala ngayi. Dala ngayi. Hamba ngayi. Ayazi communication. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hey, I. Exactly.
Okay. Gusto mga rin. Askibali kayo gana mo. Iskusa. Sorry. Matawa mo.
Askibali vene mu van so woninga mna family.
Ithina zigrand yonke into.
Ayinginde grand Sunday. Sebenze bhuti. Siyabonga ukuthi ura. Nama dolphin wethu.
Hey.
Utshelo kasaphili. Angihlupha amabhutha lo muntu yazi mkhulu. Wena mara ubuso wakho. Ngaze. Uyakudala manje. Singadala ku.
Let's keep your phone near me. Let's keep something inside.
Ngazala ku.
Oh, iyo le uncle.
Mara bangibukela lobuso.
Ngamaqiniso lesake imbhekela
Angathi kusasa sijoji.
Yabo. Sibonge kakhulu ama.
Shabalele kubuwaka.
This is landscape, bro.
Shabalele.
Episode 4, episode 5.
Fair.
Yoka. Subscribe to Dollar Days, guys. Subscribe on love.
Subscribe to see the final product bafethu. Dollar Days. Nsayizeni. Kama shebile karo. Ayikho le. Obvious awuchaka imtshelela yini ukuthi awuyebo singichazisele ukuthi company yabo. So vele company le engine sibhayile. So le esibhaye kuyo yasitakatakela masifanele silando nthola. Noma nje yabona senze iplani ipaki imoto la njengoba libonile bafethu bese vali gate yabona manje kushaya sidelela ye like in English city he's disrespecting us. So we had to come alternative ways yabo. Salanda le engine but look we left with it, you see, just to show when you're determined and you have the, what you call it, that spirit, and so are you gonna get whatever, and grit, see if you have grit, get whatever. So yeah guys, when you're determined, also with the trade, must hold it. Danko. Yeah, Protea Point, people. Subscribe and la Dollar Days bafethu. Yabona? Salanda frame kuloko. Ha, sibe sindlula iProtea Point and mercy. Sidlula la iProtea. Phethe impahla yethu bheka. Ayinjami ijabulile yabona le mnikazi le engine ayijabulile mfethu akakhola ukuthi vele ha sishayile la engine. Ayikuthi itshontshile bafethu ukuthi silandile bo sithengile le engine until just to correct a few things you see. Sithengile ayibheke sibingena ba igarage spompetara sike sithi shwi.
Prophets are crew, get ready for the news, let the signals flow.
Do you believe? Guys, we are hustlers, kill the iPhone, kill the engine. My neighbor here is a landlord. If you need any property, but if subscribe, guys, I can speak to him. You know, he's gonna give you the extra 100 rand off for honor, guys. I'll speak to him, whatever. If only you subscribe.
For our real fans, Raiders lane merch, mega bucks to the new Tuesday, Jiffy Bus Store, Gold Show.
What's him? So my
Serious, you know driving school. But I understand that driving school already because me I want to believe. My parents could have on season getting come road. Still on the line, suspect the concern. Born page. I want to see Jimmy short ride and get on main road and tell them come road the fetch. If you know, you know. Angel.
Siphethele engine mfethu sayehla sidlile SW ngisho ukuthi SWGC yabo liyasamla bantu makafela ngikhola anthi sayehla sidlile sinava sisongena ngangi-Rocktown ubona kasile zinja anthi bheka siba small park esibashibhakile engine on point, van on point, bheka color on point 11 shanga ma-carbon fiber.
Mama Podi.
Matlos, currently you can see the engine, but this van, sentimental value. Look at the red brake pads, bone, carbon fiber skatings, looking white body kit, looking guys, sentimental value 2021. I'm one of a face, just figure. Thank you.
So you can see what time is it, guys.
The positive and
Went out, I think it was.
as you take a section. Comment in the comment section, I'll tell you. How does it taste like? You see, ask. If you don't know, just ask, I'll tell you. So yeah, our faith tonight, engine, move, we say, boom, 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 boom. You know, but faith to be man, thermos.
Put them the side. You can see, guys. Yeah?
Oh,
What the
Don't forget to scan the QR code, but faith. Start trading. Let's make a living, you see. Thank God. We have one page in the wedding journey. Yeah, look at this van, bro. Red and black interior. This is the dopest van, dog. Red brake pads, bruh. This one, I'm gonna buy it. Sentimental value.
I'm switching flows like the cool Eminem and my style is unique. I'm better as them. I'm a bee, she is yellow like a sour cheese. I'm a wannabe, watch up her knees. All I gotta do is fly overseas, sleep. I'm a bee, she is yellow like a sour cheese. I'm a wannabe, watch up her knees. All I gotta do is fly overseas, sleep. I'm a bee, she is yellow like a sour cheese. I'm a wannabe, watch up her knees. All I gotta do is fly overseas, sleep. I'm a bee, she is yellow like a sour cheese. I'm a wannabe, watch up her knees. All I gotta do is fly overseas. I'm tripping, I'm harder.
Ha! Sonela ngiyigibhe lezi boom boom. Speed effort. Sebenzoba lempahla bo, sitraba lempahla siphuma impilo. Injami beyareba ngaba yo shama aerodynamics ngishimela kodwa bengibambile asesibhekile lempahla out naked siphumile bona.
Necessary, I'll double it right up on the stage cause I'm a spit. Never get a cause shorter so better spit. When you're raging and stop better get a grip. When I
Ngizokusayi ngibona ukuthi akunomuntu olimele.
Oh.
Manje sayithi ngithanda lo saka sekuthi awusayi imali.
Oh, afike. Afuna babo izandla zendoda afuneke zibe sosa, afuna kubabonise.
Live trading sessions, knowledge is power. Confidence steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Gallatin is shining, feeling like a king. Educational resources, let the wisdom ring. Mega bucks on the table for interference and sight swing. Trading till December, I'm ready for the fight. Withdrawals, deposits. I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. With trading sessions, knowledge is power. Live trading sessions, knowledge is power. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Educating all resources, let the wisdom and resources met the real heights.